Today in our life as a senior high school student here in Mariana National High School, participating in Intramurals 2025.
Uy! Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog! Today, sasamahan nyo kami sa pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat, ang Intramurals 2025 dito sa Mariana National High School. Tara!
Iba yung energy sa campus ngayon. Super lively ng energy nila. Tas lahat nakasuot pa ng team shirts like ours, which is Pink Stallion. Go, go Stallions!
Oh, and now, our very own team is about to play. Let's go, Pink Stallions!
I am the Candy Man.
And here we have the announcement of the champion for Saludo 2025. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ang Roaring Narnians or ang Pink Stallions? And the winner is the Grade 11 Pink Stallions! Ang kasunod naman nito ay
Siyempre, hindi mawala ang food trip! Paano kalalaban kung hindi ka busog, diba?
Pero syempre, hindi lang laro ang intrams. It's also about
Teamwork, school spirit, and making memories.
from sports to cheering, lahat may chance mag-shine. Kaya, Intramurals is more than just a competition. Ito ay celebration of talent and unity.
Nakakapagod, pero sulit! Laro man o chair, we gave our best.
Bukas ulit, laban. Higit sa lahat.
Once a Mariana National High School student, always a champion.
Yaray, the best!
Bye! Senior high school student here in Mariana.
Namanday ko, ay wait lang.
Very own team is a
Food trip! Kasi, hala, nakalimutan. Ay, saot lang. Lang! Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang food trip!
teamwork, school spirit, and
higit sa lahat.